When you engineer high-performance parts, fluids can be a big deal. At first, it's just cutting, until you realize you also need corrosion protection, industrial cleaning, surface treatment, and wastewater systems. That's one process, with complex demands. That's where we come in, engineered from our labs since 1993. Designed for eco-efficiency and total cost management, proven in the most demanding industries, trusted by aerospace and automotive, highest industry standards, fully certified. A network of over 50 branches, localized support. Introducing Talent, eco-friendly metalworking fluids.